There are many steps in pursuing a personal injury lawsuit. You know, clients come into us with whatever has happened to them. Some of the things are easy. Let's go gather your medical records for your treatment of what happened, or was there some property that got lost, and let's gather all those things. Have you seen the right providers? Are there some questions left over, and maybe providing some counseling on a traumatic brain injury here? Have you seen somebody for that? Let's make sure you go and get the right care. So helping a client understand a course of care that they might need, that's kind of one of the first steps. Then you prepare the lawsuit based on the investigative facts that you've developed for what's happened, file that. And then you have to go through the process of what we call discovery in litigation. Discovery is we send questions to them to answer, they send questions to us. We say send us the documents that are relevant, they say you send us the documents that are relevant. Then we go through the issue of whose testimony do we take ahead of trial in depositions. And so the defendants, some of the care providers, some witnesses. Are there experts needed in a case? We have to evaluate, do we have to have somebody come in and talk about expert issues in a case? For example, in a trucking case, are there issues of how the truck driver operated the truck and violations of important regulations by the trucking company? Do we need to have that testimony ready for trial? Once you have all your discovery ready, then you have to get it ready for trial. What's our theme and theory of the trial? What is it, the story that we're telling the jury, right? Ultimately, jury trials are storytelling exercises. You know, here is what happened. Here is why what they did was wrong. Here is what you should do about it. And that has to be a story that a jury can understand. And then you get ready for the jury trial and get ready to cross-examine witnesses and put on various witnesses. You know, that process, and talk to the jury. And so it's a long process, litigation. Generally speaking, we tell folks from the time we filed the lawsuit until we got a jury verdict might be a couple of years in Ada County. And then the question is there an appeal after the trial? And there's work to be done in that arena too. The most important thing for anyone to know is that we're always at the other end of the phone. You can reach out to us anytime to talk about your personal injury case or your situation. You can, if you look at our website, you can set up a Zoom call with us. We are happy to meet with you virtually over the internet these days. It's an amazing thing. Or come in and talk to us. Just give us a ring and we'll be happy to provide you some guidance and direction. There's no charge for a consultation or discussion over your case, and we're happy to evaluate it.